In this lesson, we will look at questions that come from Unit 3, Section 4.6, applying the exponent laws. Question 1. Simplify 18x to the exponent of 3 times y to the exponent of 2 divided by 6 times x to the exponent of 4 times y. Our first step here, we have to look at what exponent laws will apply and what ones we can use to simplify this expression. 18 divided by 6 is just two whole numbers, so we can divide that quite easily. 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. So far, we have 3. Now we have x to the exponent of 3 on the top and x to the exponent of 4 on the bottom. When we have the same base and we are dividing, we have to subtract. So we write our base, and then we have 3 subtract 4. That will give us -1. Now we have a different base of y. Again, we are dividing. When you divide, you subtract the exponents. We have a 1 here, if it's just y. So 2 subtract 1 will give us y to the exponent of 1. Now we have a negative base. We can't have that, so that's going to give us 3 times x to -1, which becomes 1 over x, times y to the exponent of 1. We can simplify that because 3, we can put 1 underneath there if we want to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3, times y will give us 3y. 1 times x times 1 will give us x. Therefore, our answer will be A. Question 2. Simplify 2a cubed b to the -2, all divided there by 8a squared b to the exponent of 7, and everything inside the bracket is being raised to the exponent of 2. Keep it in mind, the best strategy here is to look at what is inside the bracket first. So what we're going to do, we're just going to work away with what is inside the bracket. So 2 divided by 8 is going to give us 1/4. We have the base of a. We are dividing, so you have to subtract the exponents. 3 take away 2 is going to leave us with a to the exponent of 1. And this is all multiplied, so we're just going to put multiplication there as dots. Then we have our base of b. Again, divide, so we have to subtract our exponents. -2 subtract 7 is going to give us b to the -9. And all of that is being raised to the exponent of -2 after. But we're going to continue on inside until we can't do anything else further. So we have 1/4 times a to the exponent of 1 times b to the exponent of -9. Well, a and b are different bases. We can't do anything else with that. So maybe what we'll do, we will look at the exponent outside. So you're going to have 1/4 to the exponent of -2 first. Now we have a power of a power, so we're going to multiply. 1 times -2 is going to give us a to the -2. Then we have b to the -9, so -9 times -2 is b to the 18. Here we have a negative exponent. We take the reciprocal, which gives us 4 squared times 1 over a squared times b to the 18. This will equal 16 times 1 over a squared, we can put a 1 underneath there, times b to the exponent of 18 over 1. Therefore, we'll multiply straight across. 16 times 1 times b to the 18 is 16 times b to the exponent of 18 divided by 1 times a squared times 1 is a squared.